Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you the quickest way to activate your new Pluxee card, so you can start using your benefits right away. There are two simple ways to do this, through the web portal or using the mobile app. Let's start with the web portal. First, open your browser and search for Activate Pluxee Card. Click on the official Pluxee activation link. On the page, enter the email address or mobile number registered with your employer. Next, type in your card reference number. You can find this 12-digit number printed on the side of your physical card or inside your welcome kit. Fill out the CAPTCHA on the screen and click Get Activation Code. Check your email or phone messages for this code, type it in, and hit submit. That's it, your card is now active. Alternatively, the most updated method for 2026 is to use your smartphone. Simply download the official Pluxee app for iOS or Android. Create an account using your Pluxee ID, navigate to the Wallet tab at the bottom of your screen, and tap Activate this card. Your funds are now ready to use contactlessly or in stores. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple direct tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.